I'm single, and it's hard to meet men, especially in New York, because dudes, all they want to do is catcall you, right? Like you walking down the street, minding your own business, they just shout their thoughts at you, you didn't ask, they're gonna tell you anyway. And I used to get mad when dudes catcall me, but now I just get creative. Because I was like, it, dudes, if you could say what you want to say to us, then why can't we say what we want to say back to y'all, right? That. I'm crazy too. Let's do it. Put me in, coach. So the other day, I'm walking down the street in Brooklyn, right? And there's this dude outside looking sketchy as He comes up to me, and he's like, doing all this, posing like Raekwon in the Wu-Tang video. He's like, how you doing, beautiful? You look real good. What's your name? How nasty is that, right? Now, I'm not gonna lie. A part of me was like, ew, but a part of me was intrigued, because it's been a while. A very long time. You know, you hit that 3 months mark, you start looking at people differently, like, do that again? But I looked closer, right? And he was missing a side molar. Now, see, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. If he was cute, it might have been a compliment. But he wasn't, so it's sexual harassment. Get the out of here, sir. Hashtag you too. Get the out, right? That's what I'll tell you. It depends what you look like, what you could get away with, okay? If you're missing a critical tooth, okay, might not want to try it. Don't get above your station, sir. If he was cute, though, it would have been a whole different game plan. I'd have been like, hey, boo. You doing? You ambitious and shit. I see you. That was not the case, though, so I had to get the out of there, right? So when I went to walk away, right, he reached out and he grabbed my arm. And I wanted to get mad, but I didn't want to get shot. So I was like, what am I going to do? What am I going to do? So I got creative. I took a deep breath. I looked him right in his eye, and I was like, my name is Richard. Yeah. What's your name? He was like, my fault, bro. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry. My name is Carrie Cotty. Y'all been a lot of fun. Thank you so much.